Be ready for the dictation. Dictation will start after 5 seconds. Start. The Iron Age in India has been a subject of fascination and discussion. Full stop. In the rest of the world, the Iron Age succeeded the Copper Bronze Age or bridged the gap between the Bronze Age and the early historic period. Full stop. But the situation in India is different. When the region north of the Vindhyas belonged to the pre-iron Chalcolithic or Copper Age, the south, with over 3000 sites, was associated with iron. Full stop. Many archaeologists have, generally and conservatively, placed on the Iron Age to be in the second millennium BCE. Full stop. Given this backdrop, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin's recent statement, that the origin of iron in the state could be traced to the first quarter of the fourth millennium BCE, is a significant, as this pushes the antiquity of iron further. Full stop. After excavations in the mid-Ganga valley of Uttar Pradesh about 25 years ago, early evidence of iron technology was dated to 1800 BCE. Full stop. But now, the work in Tamil Nadu, which was carried out between 2019 and 2022, has made authorities attribute the introduction of iron in the country to the early part of the fourth millennium BCE, even though the period of 2500 BCE to 3000 BCE is taken as a mid-range value. Full stop. This forms the highlight of a study by the State Department of Archaeology, titled Antiquity of Iron, recent radiometric dates from Tamil Nadu. Full stop. The TNSDA had the scientific dating results of its study validated by renowned institutions such as the Beta Analytic Laboratory in the US. Mr. Stalin's observation was made keeping the findings in mind. Full stop. Early this month, he announced 1 million prize scheme for deciphering the script of the Indus Valley civilization. Full stop. The work by the TNSDA should spur new thinking with regard to the strategies to be adopted by archaeologists who are working on the Iron Age of India. Full stop.